Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics Miss Assignments. Today we're looking at grade 9 geometry and looking at November 2015's exam paper. We're going to have to find the values of x and y. First problem, we give you a kite. Second problem, we give you isosceles triangle. Right? So, determine what reasons the sizes of angle x, which is there, and angle y in each diagram. There's y below. Right, so number one, they've given us there in the drawing AB is the same length as BC. So you see that double line, and that double line says that ABC is an isosceles triangle, meaning this is the same size as that. And at the same time, they've given us here this angle and that, or the side CS is the same length as AS. So that's what the two single lines represent. All right, now if that angle is 36, you see it's opposite BC. Right, so opposite AB is x, so that should also be 36. So we can say x equal 36, angles opposite equal sides. No? Or what your teachers in the past used to say base angles. Don't use the word base angles no more, but it's angles opposite equal sides. So you see there, this angle x is facing ABC or AB. That angle 36 is facing BC, so very important. And the test is all the way right up to grade 12. So you need to know angles opposite equal sides will always be equal to each other. So x equal 36. To get y there, I assume you can see from B to there. To C forms a right angle triangle. Do you see that there? Right, so there I have 90. I know x is 36. To get y, I use angles in a triangle. So y would equal 180 minus the 90 minus the 36 degrees. My reason, very important, sum of the angles of a triangle. You can say sum of angles in a triangle would equal 180. So 180 minus 90 gives me 90. 90 minus 36 would then give me 54. Right, that whole shape put together is referred to as a kite, just to refresh your memory. Let's look at the second problem. So determine what reasons the size of angles x and y in each diagram. So there we have x, here we have y. Again, there for AC they've drawn a double line through AC, and for AB another double line. So AB and AC must be the same length. Alright, so automatically then AB is facing x and AC is facing B1. So B1 and x must be equal to each other, because they are angles opposite equal sides. Right, so in CAB, in CAB, I can say x equal B1, and my reason, they are angles opposite equal sides. That side there, facing towards there, the side here, facing towards x. Right, so x plus x would give me 2x. 2x plus 80 must equal 180 degrees. Remember, the three angles in a triangle must always add up to 180 degrees. Right, so there in short, 2x equal 180 minus 80, sum of angles of a triangle. 180 minus 80 gives me 100. To get x, we always divide by the value in front of x, so that's 2x. 100, so 2x divided by 2 would give me x. 100 divided by 2 would then give me 50. So x there is 50 and P1 is 50. Right, now to get to y, there I assume you can see that angle is outside. Right, so there exterior angle of a triangle equal the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Right, so y plus 25 must equal x. Right, so from there x equal y plus 25. Exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Not the one next to it, but the other two angles inside. Alright? X we know is 50. If I take 25 over, 50 minus 25 gives me 25, and therefore y equal 25 degrees. Right, so that's now basically just working with keeping angles opposite equal sides. We need you to know what's the sum of angles of a triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle, we over test in grade 9, so make sure you know exterior angle of a triangle. Next sets of problems I'm going to do is specifically designed around the exterior angle of a triangle. Right? God bless. Bye.